Welcome to Ashoka Changemakers and the First Nation, Métis, and Inuit Learning Initiative. Have you ever come up with a great idea that you wanted to share with others? Or thought of a great new way to do things that could really help people in your community? Here at Ashoka, we know that great ideas can change the world. We are looking for visionaries and innovators who have ideas on learning for First Nation, Métis, and Inuit people. Maybe you have a dream about starting a wilderness training camp, or you've come up with a new approach to early childhood learning. Perhaps you've designed a distance mentoring program, or you've thought of a new way to bring music to your school, or developed an approach to career and workplace training tailored for First Nation, Métis, and Inuit people. As long as your idea focuses on learning within or beyond the classroom, we want to hear from you. Here at Ashoka, we believe in holistic education and welcome entries from a wide variety of learning settings. Entries can come from individuals, organizations, or groups from within Canada or around the world. Not only can you win awards that range from $500 to $5,000, but your idea may change lives. Here's how to enter or nominate someone you know for an award. Just click on Create a Profile in the top right-hand corner of the page. Go through all the steps and fill out what you can. If you already have a Facebook profile, you may use your Facebook profile to fill in your user information. Remember that once you create a profile, you can return to the website to update or to make changes to your submission at any time. All entries are posted online so that you can gain exposure for your project or idea and see what others are posting too. We believe that bringing together great ideas and people with a passion for making positive change is going to lead to great things. Who knows, your idea may even catch the attention of one of our partners who can provide the additional funding and support needed to get your project off the ground. We will be taking entries up until January 27th, 2012.
Okay.
There are many different awards to be won. Some are for projects from various regions in Canada, from various demographics and age groups. And others are for ideas with specific themes like early childhood education, school retention, post-secondary education, career learning, and sports and healthy living. Be sure to check out our full list of awards, there's over 30 of them, to see what you can win. We are looking for entries that have three main features. Innovation. We are looking for creative ideas that build on strengths or address challenges. Social impact. How does your idea or project make life better for those around you? And sustainability. Do you have the resources or support in place to keep your idea going after you launch it? For the Community Awards, a panel of judges composed of First Nation, Métis, and Inuit leaders in education will choose the award finalist. The finalists will be posted online so people can log in and vote for their favorite ideas or projects. All other awards will be judged by project sponsors and the Ashoka Changemakers team. All winners will be announced by March 26, 2012. There are other important dates to remember, so be sure to keep those in mind. Please respect cultural and community protocol and get permission to share ideas or practices that belong to other people, a community, or cultural group. If you need help, ask a respected elder or traditional teacher. We ask that you take a few minutes to read through our contest terms and conditions before you begin. If you need more information or you need assistance with your entry, please contact us at fnmi-learning@ashoka.org or call us at 416-646-2333 and we can connect you with people who can help. I want to thank you for visiting Ashoka Changemakers First Nation, Métis, and Inuit Learning Initiative. Your entries are important to us. When we share and support good ideas for creating positive change, everyone is a change maker.